Infinix GT 20 Pro Review. Hello friends. Today, I'm here with a model that will definitely catch the attention of mobile gamers, the Infinix GT 20 Pro. This phone stands out with its high-performance processor, gamer-friendly design, advanced display, and optimized gaming experience. But can it truly deliver the power it promises? Let's dive into all the details of the Infinix GT 20 Pro. Before we start, a quick reminder, you are my source of motivation. This video was made just for you, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. It gives me the strength to create more content. Thank you for watching. Now let's take a closer look at this amazing device. Design: the Infinix GT 20 Pro has the perfect look of a gaming phone. The RGB LED lights on the back give the device a unique vibe while offering a dynamic look that gamers love. The back panel is made of a plastic material resembling glass, and the frame is metal, giving it both a stylish and solid feel. Dimensions: 8.2mm thickness, 190 grams in weight. These measurements provide the phone with an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. The RGB lighting effects sync during gameplay, offering various animations. Display: for gamers, screen quality is everything. The 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD++ resolution and the 144Hz refresh rate provides a smooth gaming experience. With 1300 nits of brightness, it ensures excellent visibility even outdoors. The 2160 Hz PWM dimming reduces eye strain during extended use. The Gorilla Glass protection increases the screen's durability. The touch response time is 360 Hz, meaning the screen responds almost instantly when touched, giving a significant advantage in competitive FPS and mobile games. Additionally, the X-axis linear motor vibration support provides a more realistic touch feedback during gameplay. I really need your support. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Performance: now, the most important part, performance. Processor: MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, 3.1 GHz, RAM, 8GB LPDDR5X, storage, 256 GB UFS 3.1. Unfortunately, there's no microSD card support, but with UFS 3.1 technology, data transfer speeds are very high. So, how does it perform in gaming? PUBG Mobile, 90 FPS, Call of Duty Mobile, 120 FPS, Genshin Impact, stable 60 FPS on the highest settings. The XBOOST Gaming Engine minimizes latency, making the gaming experience smoother. The vapor chamber cooling system prevents overheating even after long gaming sessions. Additionally, the trigger buttons allow faster responses with touch controls. Battery performance: how about the battery performance of such a powerful device? Battery capacity: 5000 mAh, fast charging, 45 watts. It can charge 50% in 30 minutes and 100% in 60 minutes. With smart power management, unnecessary background apps are closed, extending battery life. Plus, a temperature control mechanism kicks in during fast charging to preserve battery lifespan. Your support means a lot to me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Camera features are usually secondary in gaming phones, but the Infinix GT 20 Pro breaks this stereotype. The 108MP main camera takes sharp, high-resolution photos. The night mode allows you to capture impressive shots even in low light. The 32MP selfie camera, with AI-supported beautification modes, delivers great results. 4K 60fps video recording offers an excellent option for content creators. Software and user experience: the Infinix GT 20 Pro runs Android 14 with the Exynos 13 interface. Game mode blocks notifications, letting you play with full focus. The precise vibration motor enhances in-game feedback. Stereo speakers deliver high-quality sound, while DTS and Dolby Atmos support provide an immersive audio experience. The 3.5mm headphone jack is a huge advantage for gamers. I need your help. Subscribing to the channel and liking the video would mean a lot. Cooling system. The Infinix GT20 Pro is equipped with an effective vapor chamber cooling system to maintain its high performance. This feature helps prevent overheating during long gaming sessions, avoiding performance drops. Overheating can usually ruin the gaming experience, but Infinix has eliminated this issue, offering stable gameplay. Outdoor use. The Infinix GT20 Pro's screen performs excellently not only indoors but also outdoors. With a brightness of 1300 nits, the screen remains clear and vivid even under intense sunlight. Additionally, the phone has an IP53 rating, making it resistant to dust and water splashes. This ensures that you won't face any issues on rainy days or while exercising outside. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, it's really important. Fingerprint reader and security features. The Infinix GT20 Pro is also strong in terms of security. It comes with an in-display fingerprint reader and facial recognition technology. The fingerprint reader works quickly and accurately, while the face unlock feature is effective even in low-light environments, allowing you to unlock your phone quickly. These features provide both secure and practical usage. The 3D face recognition adds an extra layer of security. Sound and speaker quality. The Infinix GT20 Pro takes the audio experience to a new level with its stereo speakers and DTS and Dolby Atmos support. Whether you're playing action-packed games or watching cinematic videos, the depth and clarity of the sound will immerse you. This feature provides an impressive audio quality often lacking in mobile devices, but it's crucial for gaming enthusiasts. Infinix provides a powerful and rich audio experience across different media types, including gaming, movie watching, and music listening. The dual speaker system and sound technologies allow you to hear every detail clearly. Additionally, the dynamic bass technology enhances the richness of the sound, giving you a higher quality music listening experience. The 3.5mm headphone jack is a practical option for those who prefer listening to music with headphones. I'm counting on your support for more content. Please subscribe and like the video. Game mode and customizable settings. The Infinix GT20 Pro comes with the XBOOST Gaming Engine, specifically designed for gamers. This feature allows you to customize performance settings during game mode, block notifications, and increase screen touch sensitivity. Additionally, the ability to view real-time stats such as FPS and CPU/GPU usage gives gamers a strategic advantage. Game Turbo Mode optimizes performance in graphically intense games, offering an enhanced experience. Price and competitor comparison. The Infinix GT20 Pro is priced between $365 and $457, which is quite competitive given its features. Compared to competitors like the Xiaomi Poco X5 Pro and Realme Natso 60X, the Infinix GT20 Pro offers better performance and a more stylish design. With its price-to-performance ratio, this device is an excellent option for gaming enthusiasts. Your support is so valuable to me. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. Update policy. The Infinix GT20 Pro will receive Android updates for 2 years and security patches for 3 years. This is a great advantage for long-term usage. Plus, with the Exos 13 interface, users will regularly encounter new features and improvements. User experience and feedback. Users who have tried the device have provided positive feedback, especially regarding battery life, camera performance, and the gaming experience. They appreciate the device's lightweight and ergonomic design, which remains comfortable during long-term use. Features like the RGB LED lighting and 144Hz AMOLED display are highly praised. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, it would make me so happy. Connectivity and updates. The device supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. It comes with 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates. Its IP rating is IP53, meaning it's resistant to dust and water splashes, though full submersion may be risky. Conclusion. Overall, The Infinix GT20 Pro is a price/performance powerhouse with its high performance, smooth display, RGB lighting, gamer design, and long battery life. Its 144Hz AMOLED screen, powerful processor, liquid cooling system, and game-focused optimizations provide an advantage in competitive gaming. The features it offers for its price are truly impressive. So, do you think the Infinix GT20 Pro can revolutionize the mobile gaming world? I'm looking forward to your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more exciting and informative videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.